guys, we got a new project to do today. So if you guys are new to the channel, if you're not familiar with this is my 1984 Honda ATC200x. This has been my rider trike, and basically it's been sitting for quite a while actually. So it's really nasty. Like, look at all the dirt and everything. Bearings has to be renewed. It just looks really crispy or crusty, whatever you call it. So today we're gonna be giving it more power today. So I got a fresh motor in this box right here. So I haven't looked at it at all. So you guys will get to see it for the first time, and I get to see it for the first time as well. Yeah, basically I'm going to be doing a complete engine swap today on the trike. And maybe redo the bearings as well. Before I get started on this engine swap, make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And now I want to open this box up first. I want to see the new motor, see if it looks fresh. It's completely brand new. So basically I'm going to be using that engine, swap it into the 200X to give it more power. And I have some plans with that motor too. So first off, let's start opening this box and see if we have a fresh motor in there. Alright, let's start opening it up. Hopefully I could open it up without screwing up some stuff. It's gonna be hard, so give me a sec. Alright. There we go. Let's check it out. Okay, so right here. Oh, this is our shifter and back brake, it looks like. I don't know what that is. We got a hose right here. Believe this is a cover. Oh, chain case probably. So give me 1 second. As we pull off the foam, if I could get it off while holding the camera. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. All right, let me pull it out of the box and tell you a little bit about this motor. All right, that took a little bit. So right here, we got a 250cc, I believe it's a dirt bike motor, and we're gonna be putting it into the trike over there. So this motor has electric start and kick start. Yeah, this motor I bought off of eBay for pretty cheap actually. So hopefully it performs well, and yeah. Alright, so first thing first, I want to drain the oil on the 200X because I want to be doing some work to the motor here. So I'm going to get to draining the oil. Hopefully I don't screw up like last time. And yeah, so let's get to draining the oil on this thing. Okay, so I just got the oil plug out right here. It's a little different than original motors because usually the oil plugs are underneath the motor, but for these 80s trikes, they're usually on the sides. So I'm gonna let this drain a little bit and then I'll get you back and I'll get back to this. All right, change of plans. So while the oil is draining on the trike, I'm gonna start taking it apart. So the plastics, gas tank, and everything else, it's gotta go. So Let's do that right now, guys. We got the gas tank and the plastics off. This is where we are for now. Right now, we're gonna take off the carburetor. So, take out the carb, take off the exhaust, loosen that, and I think I'm definitely gonna keep the tip on. So, DG exhaust is gonna stay on this trike. And yeah, so let's do that right now. Update. I ended up getting the header pipe out, except I have to take the tip off to get the header pipe out because the frame is blocking it. So, yep. So yeah, that's the next thing I'm gonna do right now. Is get this tip off. Okay, so I got the exhaust off. I think I'm gonna keep the tip off for now. So for now, I believe it's done draining oil. Let's start getting into the big stuff, taking the motor out. Okay, so all the motor mounts are out. Now it's time to get the engine out right now. So let's do that right now. After a little while, finally got the motor out. So, yeah, I've taken this motor out of this trike before. A couple times, actually. Because, one, I had to rebuild it. When I first bought the trike, it had everything was messed up on it. So, I had to take the motor out and fix it. But we're not fixing this one. We're going to see if the new motor fits. And yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so I just took the new motor out of the plastic. It looks so good. Again, brand new. So no miles or hours have been on this motor yet. Now I want to see if it fits. Hopefully it does. So it could be less work than me. For me. Alright. Let's go. It fits. It's a huge struggle to get this in though, so that's why I'm out of breath. But anyways, I don't think I need to do anything to the motor for now. Right now I'm gonna go get lunch, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I just got back from lunch, and I'm gonna end the video right now because I'm still waiting on a part. So this motor, hold on, let me flip it. This motor did not come with a carburetor, so I'm waiting for the carburetor to come, and I'm gonna have to trim this little piece right there to get the whole motor in. So yeah, that's it for me today. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so the last clip that you guys saw was Sunday, the 29th. And now it is Thursday, the 2nd. Happy New Year to you guys. I just posted a new video, so go check that out. Anyways, I've done some changes to the ATC200x. Why don't we go check it out? Okay, so this is it right here. I've done a lot of changes. So basically, the motor would not completely go in. So I had to chop a little bit of the bottom to get the whole motor to slide in. So now it is secured, not going anywhere. Put the chain on. Let's see. I put the exhaust on, so yeah, the exhaust fits on there pretty good. Yeah, the whole exhaust is on. So this is custom. So on the old 200x motor, if you guys know anything about 200x's, You know this brake lever slides into the kicker right here. So there's like a little circle here where the brake lever goes. Anyways, the new motor doesn't have it. So my dad helped me make this custom little circle piece and welded it onto the foot peg here. Those are some nice welds, so shout out to my dad, guys. Anyways, the brake lever is back in action like nothing ever happened. Anyways, now we're gonna get rid of the old wiring harness. I got a new wiring harness coming for this thing because the old one wasn't gonna work. So we're gonna take off the wiring harness. We're gonna take off this. Carb should be here today, so hopefully the carb shows up in time. And yeah, so let's get to working. Oh, I almost forgot. I got new wheels coming. So new tires, but that's in another video because it's not going to be here till I think the 13th. So yeah, let's get that old wiring harness off. The old wiring harness is off. Now I want to take out the tail light. Put that on the other bike, my show bike, the ATC200x. That's going on the ATC200x too, but it needs some cleaning and everything, but don't worry, I'll get that cleaned up. Right now I really want to take off the tail lights, so let's do that right now. Alright, we got the tail light off. So I will make a video on installing the electrical stuff, but that'll be in another video. So stay tuned for that video. And yeah, I'm just gonna make a different video on the installing the electrical wiring harness and the tail light. My carburetor's not here yet, so I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, it's the next day. I don't know where the hell my carburetor is. So I ordered this 250 carb off of eBay, and I don't know where it is. But anyway, here's the trike right here. We got the wiring harness. We got a brand new wiring harness actually. So it's actually got a key now and a electric starter right now. For now on, I'm running the factory 200 carb because my dang carburetor didn't show up. So, this is the moment of truth. Let's see if it'll run on camera. So I already tried out the electric start, but it hasn't like ran completely. So we're gonna try that out right now. All right. So let's see. Turn the gas on. Where's my choke? Right here, I believe. Oh, yep. Choke is good. All right, turn the key on. So I already know the electric start works, so let's see if it'll run. It runs. Alright, before we get too far into this, I gotta check the oil. See if we're doing any good with the oil. Alright. Alright, I think the oil's good. Yeah, the oil should be fine. Might have to throw a little bit more oil in it later, but yeah. Alright, and besides, we're not running an air filter. I mean, I have a pit bike air filter right here that came off of the PW80. But I don't know if it fits. I'm gonna try it out real quick. Alright, take two. Let's do this. Gas on. Oh, give me a sec. Okay, so I think I have to do the electric start and the throttle, so let's do that. No way. It shoots flames. That's so cool. Hey, she runs. Maybe later on I'll take her for a test ride, but for now on I gotta clean up some stuff, get everything organized, and yeah. So let me do that, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright, to come to the conclusion, it runs. So I got the plastic, I got the gas tank on. So it's been a couple days later, actually. The new carb came and the air filter came. So we got that in and everything. Yeah, here she sits for now. At least she runs. So there's plenty of things I want to do with this thing. Ride it a lot. And yeah. One major thing it needs is needs to get tuned. So I gotta send it over to one of my buddies who could tune it. Or if my dad gets home or something, since he's a professional tuner, he could probably tune it for me. So yeah, at least this thing runs. I'm not gonna ride it because I need to make a battery tray for that so it can hold the battery in. And it needs the carburetor too. And so, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Stay tuned because we're gonna be doing lots of things with this thing. And that's it for the good old 200X. Stay tuned for more because I'm still building my 85 200X. So there'll be a video out next week about that. So yeah. Anyways, again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.